Alright, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat at welcome to Sports Corner PH Interviews ngayong Martes ng hapon. Makakasama po natin ang lead organizer ng upcoming international tournament. Babagiti ko siguro yung tournament mamaya. At head coach
Opo.
po ng Philippine Gymnastics Athletics Academy ST Gymnastics and Sports Center diyan po sa Las Piñas. As I said, ito po yung upcoming tournament scheduled October 20 to 22 na tiyak ika-enjoy ng ating mga followers at ipopromote at i-invite natin po sila doon. So makakasama natin ang lead organizer at head coach ng PJAST Gymnastics. Walang iba kundi si Coach Butch T. Coach Butch, babati ka muna sa ating
Oo.
mga taga-subaybay.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Have a blessed day ahead of all of us.
Oo nga, at kita natin sa background niya pala, nasa loob po siya ng
Opo,
kanilang
nasa gym
training
po.
center dyan sa Las Piñas. Kaya
Yes
nasa
po.
gitna ka ng training at kita natin yung mga bata. Talagang
Yes.
nag-e-ensayo sila doon eh.
Yes.
Alright,
Opo. Busy nga po sa last leg ng training. Opo.
alright. So unang sa lahat, salamat po sa pag-imbita sa amin na ma-promote at kumbidahin ang ating mga followers sa Sports Corner PH para dito sa upcoming event, which is yung 8th ST International Gymnastics Cup happening this in the middle of the month nga dyan sa Muntinlupa
Opo.
Sports Center. Pero kamusta na po kayo? How are you feeling well? Kahit alam natin, last phase na ng preparations ng ating mga gymnasts under your watch.
Okay. Actually, yung STY, it's actually STY because it's named after my late husband, Sunny T. Okay, that's his name. He's the coach of the national team for men's for the longest time. Anyway po, we are ready. We are all set. We are all set. And with the help po of the LGU, Muntinlupa City, through Mayor Biason, okay? So sila po
Ruby
yung
Biason.
kapartner namin. Yes, sila po yung kapartner namin na tumutulong sa amin para po yung aming international meet ay maganda po ang kalabasan. Actually, marami pong ano ngayon, napakarami po namin. Dati po nasa 300 lang yung mga last namin na competitions, mga 300 lang po yung mga gymnasts. Now we have as many as 550 gymnasts competing. And manggagaling po yung 21 clubs from the Philippines and 22 clubs from other countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Japan, um, Hong Kong, India. So, medyo full pack po kami ngayon.
Oo nga, full pack talaga sa dami ng mga clubs na sasali nga dito sa competition na yun. Pero
Yes po.
bago ako dumiretso pa sa usapan about dito sa upcoming tournament,
Yes
are
po.
you aware nga pala dahil meron tayong dalawang Olympians na yon sa ating Paris Olympics, which is of course ang ating iniidolo natin si Kaloy Yulo dyan sa floor exercise sa men's. And
Opo.
lately, ngayon lang nasagap natin yung ating PhilAm, si Alea Pinigan.
Sa Alea
He's
Pinigan
also qualified for the
sa Olympic.
individual
Yes.
all-around women. So, what's your take on
Yes.
this?
Oh, wow. That's a great boost for all of us gymnastics enthusiasts, no? Kasi syempre, lahat po yan inspirasyon, lalo na si Kaloy, no? Inspirasyon. May mga hindi magandang nangyari, pero lumalaban siya. That's the most important thing. He stood up and he tried to do his best on his last apparatuses, and good that he's qualified. And I'm praying for his safety, for all the gymnasts, not only to the Filipino gymnasts, but to everyone, because alam nyo naman po, ang gymnastics, medyo talagang mataas yung risk, no? Pero as you can see, everybody is doing well. So I'm praying for for the win and for the safety.
Alam ko maraming mga gymnasts on your watch under sa STY ang
Opo.
nag-aangad nga na ma-pursue na mag-qualify sa Olympics in the future, pero dahil dyan sa pagkakakwalipika ni na Kaloy at ni Alea sa Olympics, I'm sure magiging mas mataas pa ang confidence ng mga
Yes po.
gymnasts, especially sa mga age groups na sinasalihan na makapag-compete panlalo sa higher level ng competition and maybe
Yes.
sa SEA Games, sa Asian Games, and of course sa Olympics
Yes.
in the future. Tingin mo?
Actually po itong sana nga makarating si Kaloy sa competition namin kasi nakabalik na siya from there eh. Ang balita ko October siya darating eh. So baka maka-segue o baka gawan niyo po ng paraan na mabisita niya kami to give at least to motivate no more gymnasts. Actually ito pong competition na to is we're helping the Gymnastic Association of the Philippines kasi kami po yung parang nasa base po kami na kung saan tinitrain po namin ang mga bata para po pagdating ng panahon na sila ay kukunin na ng Gymnastic Association of the Philippines ay kahit pa paano po ay nakakontribute na po kami sa kanilang kagalingan at least sa mga basic na kaya nilang gawin. So kami po, ang mga bata pong tinitrain namin is as young as 3 years old. So lahat po yan ay gearing towards that direction whether gusto nilang magkaroon ng parang pinakaano nila ang gymnastics to compete nga sa Olympics or sa ano. But at least we are doing our part as a member of the Gymnastic Association of the Philippines na makatulong, na makahanap sila ng mga potential gymnasts doing this competition. So I hope sooner or maybe someday merong isang PGAA na mapupunta rin dyan kahit sa pinaka-highest kung ano man ang mararating.
All right, let's go now to the event itself. Ito po yung pangwalong edisyon na yon ng Sanity International Gymnastics Cup. Hindi tumitigil kahit pandemic dahil nalaman ko kanina, nagkaroon din kayo ng mga online competitions under yung Sanity in honor of the late founder of the PJA STY Gymnastics Team. Walang iba kundi si Coach Sunny Team na nandun na po siya sa itaas, sumalangit tawa.
Yes.
So for the information of our viewing public, siguro pwede natin ingan ng konting backgrounder about dito sa international tournament. At of course, ang taong nasa likod ng lahat na ito, which is nandun na siya sa taas, kasama si Lord.
Okay. Opo. So ito po ay pangwalo na namin. Itinuloy po namin to na we had an online live international competition kasi nga po ayaw namin mahinto. Kaya po naging 8 ito. So yun pong yung 6 and 7, 5 and 6 was done online. Pero live po siya. And marami pong countries, even as far as Fiji, na nag-compete po sa amin. Malaysia, Indonesia, Hong Kong, Thailand, and so many other countries. So tinuloy po namin, kaya po kahit na wala kami sa live na nagkita-kita sa sports complex, naging 8 po ngayon kasi nga po hindi po kami huminto na ituloy yung legacy ni Coach Sunny, no? So at the same time, napakarami pong pasasalamat ang aming ibibigay para po sa Muntinlupa, LGU, through Mayor Rupi Biason kasi po sila ang kasama namin sa pagbubuo nito na maging successful. So we also have competitors coming from different countries. Do I have to mention the countries? So again, we have
na siguro kanina, syempre.
Okay. So the opening is going to be on the 20th and this is for free po. Libre po kayong manood. So 20th is the opening ceremony at 5 p.m. And then Saturday po is the competition for lower levels which starts at 7 o'clock. And then the last one is the highlight, which is the competition of the higher level from level 3 to level 6. That will be on Sunday po.
So yung levels na yun, yung level 1 to 2, mga lower, level 3 to 10, mga higher levels.
3 to 6 po at the moment.
Ito yung parang age groups na rin, no?
Yes po. We are using a program that is being done by one countries. Ito rin po yung mga ang ginagamit namin when we are invited to go to Hong Kong, to the Southeast Asia. Like we are leaving after our competition, may invitation po kami sa November. A week after our competition, meron po kaming competition they call it Bambi, that is going to be in Thailand. And we also have Gabriela competition which is going to be in Indonesia. So hindi lang po Philippines ang gumagamit ito kasi yung program nga po ay para sa developmental So, ginagamit po siya around Southeast Asia. So, yun po yung ano.
Okay. So, this tournament nga pala is sanctioned by our NSA natin, yung Gymnastics
They know
Association.
po. Yes, we actually invited. We already gave an invitation. Uh, 2 years ago, or yeah, 2 years ago in 2017, Ma'am Cynthia came to us. And then the last competition, we have their Secretary General who gave us the inspirational talk. So, and now, nagpadala na po kami ng invitation, pati po kay Kaloy, na sana maisama ni Ma'am Cynthia at sana makagrace siya sa occasion. And yun po. So, they know po this.
Okay. So, how's the preparations na pala yung mga young gymnasts dyan sa inyong side sa PJA? Lalo na, well-trained sila ng mga coaches, including yours, at lalo pag sila ang ganahan sa training dahil of course, marami silang mga exposure na binibigay nga locally and internationally.
Yes po. Uh, Training as usual. Dapat po naman kasi ganun lang naman yung setup ng coach eh. We train them to their maximum capacity. The coaches gives them what is needed. So in preparation, the winning will just come eh. When they are ready, we wouldn't know because everybody, I'm sure, all of those who are competing wanted to win. All right. So we do our part as coaches, and then we talk. What is important also with PGAA, we always connect with the parents because we all know we handle minors. So it is very important that we give also importance to the parents. So we have a continuous dialogue with them so that more or less, like for example, some parents would bring them anywhere and eat this, eat that, become fat and all that. So we talk to them so that more or less ma-align. Hello, girls. Sorry, may mga magbo-vote sa likod. Hi, girls. so, yun, it's a constant communication with the parents also.
Sa bagay, mahalaga talaga sa kanila yung support system na binigay ng mga coaches at
Yes
mga
po.
parents para at least
Yes.
mas lalo pa mataas yung kanilang standards sa pag-compete at pag-participate
Yes
sa
po.
mga competitions. So bukod pa sa PJA, ano pang ibang clubs dito lang sa Pilipinas na sasali dito sa tournament? At
Okay.
now, 550 na ba yung mga sumali as you mentioned kanina?
Yes po. Yes po. We have Alpha Gymnastics, we have Assumption Gymnastics team, we have British School, we have Club Gymnastica Brittany, Club Gymnastics, Gymnastica Makati, Club Gymnastica Pasig, Elite Gymnastics team, Leaders Gymnastics team, St. Paul Gymnastics team, the Making of the Champion, and Muntinlupa Gymnastics Club. So, medyo marami-rami po.
Oo nga eh. At ang dami
Opo.
mga clubs na nag-participate. All of these
And
come
then
from Metro Manila, no?
po,
All of these come from Metro Manila.
yes, we invited some from Cebu, from Davao. Kaya lang po ang nangyari, yung competition nila was like a week before our competition, so they're also very busy. So but they are willing, but the problem nga po is like yun,
Conflict of
yung
schedule.
schedule. Yes, opo. And
All
then
right.
we have 5 teams from Indonesia, and then Hong Kong, Thailand, Japan, and India. So a total of 550 gymnasts and more or less about 100 coaches coming. And with their families, grabe po yung support ng family din nila from abroad.
Oh,
Like, yes po.
all
Sorry,
right.
madaldal.
Oo nga. Pero tuloy mo.
Nakakatuwa lang po kasi like there's so many parents who are coming over. Like just give you a glimpse. Thailand po, they have 47 packs coming. So just a sample of how many. That's only one team. So medyo nakaka-overwhelm po talaga and very thankful.
So mukhang well prepared talaga para sa inyo itong pagdagsa ng mga hindi lang ng mga gymnasts, but of course yung mga coaches, yung mga officials, and of course yung mga families to cheer them on. All right, so the tournament proper will be on October 20 to 22. So about 2 weekends left bago itong competition na yon. It's
Yes.
happening on that dates on the Muntinlupa Sports Center. Nakatabi po ng Aquatic Center. na
Oh, yes. Yes.
pala ng Swim League Philippines. Shoutout muna kay Sir Fred Ancheta ng Swim League Philippines.
Okay. Actually po, isa po yan sa i-offer ng ano, well, sabi ko lang, just be careful because the Muntinlupa LGU is allowing them to experience on our world class, if they want, our world class swimming arena and also our oval, the newly built track and field oval. So, and we will be also highlighting the Muntinlupa dance group who will be performing for us so that we can showcase the Philippine dances. And shout out pala po sa Department of Tourism also ng ano LGU namin kasi they're working so hard na mabigyan po ng assistance ang ating mga darating na mga contingents coming from other countries. So they're planning to have a welcome group in advance so para po mapadali yung kanilang paglabas at pag ano ng sa immigration and all that. So shout out po sa Department of Tourism ng Muntinlupa Gymnastics ay ng Muntinlupa.
All right. So ano magiging expectations para sa ating mga pupunta diyan sa tournament? Pero bago 'yan, para sa mga hindi makakapunta nga pala sa venue, meron ba itong live stream at meron ba mga photos or video coverage na may offer?
For example, yes, for sure po yung video there is and pictures. Ang problema po namin, we're working on it, is yung live. Kasi nagawa po namin sa gym yung live eh. Ang problema po, yung aming internet connection doon sa area na yon ay medyo talaga pong mabagal. But I have a meeting already. Oh, Yasdo. Shout out to Yasdo. I cannot forget. Ma'am Cynthia Villacruzes, shout out po sa inyo. Sa kanila po manggagaling kasi lahat ng mga help no from their engineering department, health department, pati yung mga ambulance, pati yung lahat po, pati security, lahat po yan manggagaling through Yasdo po. Sila po yung nag-i-spearhead naman on that area. So we will try to have a live of this competition. Hopefully po makisama ang internet connection para po shoutout naman dyan sa mga ano, baka gusto niyo mag-sponsor ng mga pocket wifi para po makita ng buong Pilipinas at ng mga ibang karatig countries na meron po tayong magandang international competitions coming up.
Okay, as leader organizer Coach Butch, ano magiging expectations natin? Ano magiging kaiba nito compared to the previous editions? At inaasahan natin na tiyak mas maraming mga gymnasts from not just here but also from abroad ay ma-experience ng world-class competition, mapataas yung standards natin, and of course, makakakuha hopefully ng podium.
Number one po, as I have said, everybody is trying their best to win. And so, having said, plus the fact that they're very eager and very hungry to have, again, this kind of competition, no, that you travel from countries to countries to showcase the God-given talent. So, medyo mataas po yung standard ngayon kasi as we look at the list, no, especially of level 4, 5, and 6, medyo yung like yung sa level 6 po, most of them competed din palarong pambansa already. So medyo the standard is high and hopefully talaga we will be able to contribute at least on our end the developmental or the development of the right basic form to the GAP, to the Gymnastic Association of the Philippines.
Alright, and aside nga dito sa upcoming na ST International Cup, ano ba ang mga asa natin mga tournaments dito sa PGAA, lalo na sa mga gymnasts nyo? Internationally, nabagit mo siguro kanina yung sa Thailand. And of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ba ang ating pagtanggap ng mga prospects, prospective gymnasts na makapag-enroll, makapag-join ng inyong mga clinics?
Yes po, we are open whole year round and we cater to all ages. We also cater to all body size of the body kasi dito naman po sa PGAA we have different programs. Yung pong mga gustong mag-enjoy lang na hindi highly competitive, meron po kaming ganon. So it's open to all po. It's a whole year round and open to everybody.
Ayun nga pala yung mga upcoming tournaments nga pala, aside nga dun sa tournament.
Oh, okay. So PGAA is going to Indonesia this coming November 9 and 10. And then for Bambi, November, I'll check if which one is which, okay? November 25 and 26, that's in Thailand. We also have, shout out sa mga friends namin dyan, meron din pong Aquasorb. Ang Makati Gymnastics, Makati, ano bang pangalan nila? Teka, titignan ko po para kung magkamali. Ah, ano pa nga? Club Gymnastica Makati. Meron po sila yung Aquasorb naman. Meron po sila and we are also joining that. We had 3 competitions this locally. We have the PMC also. The Making of a Champion is having their competition in December. We are also joining that. So maganda po talaga yung effect ni ni Carlos Yulo at saka po ng ating mga naggagaling ang mga gymnast na na PhilAm, no? Ano sila, especially for the parents po, medyo hindi na sila ganun katakot. Na parang kasi dati, we have a problem of dati na, o baka masugata ka, o baka mapilayan ka, o baka maganyan ka. Now po, especially so after pandemic, that they're very, with the health of the children, so they're open already to the idea, okay, if you don't like to compete, at least exercise, go to that gym and learn some, not only, honestly, sir, it's not making a champion. That's not our first objective. Our first objective is number one, is the discipline that we can share. So that, yun na naman po, pag sports, especially in the sports of gymnastics, discipline, that's number one. And then number two, all the virtues that you have, patience, lahat po ng virtues. And then, we are also very keen in the like very basic, following instructions and all that, which is of great help as they grow. So as they do that, they start learning the skills and become champions eventually.
Oh,
Yun po yung
speaking nga pala pa PJAST, dito pala ginanap yung training ng Southeast team na lumalaban na yon sa Korea dyan sa
Yes
ITU
po.
World Championships.
Yes po. Yes po, we also give them, kasi nga po medyo nahirapan sila dahil wala nga po silang venue. So sa amin po sila, yung last nila ng mga trainings ay nandito po sila sa PGA.
So good luck nga pala sa Southeast. Alam ko magko-compete nga within this weekend dito sa ICC World Championship, and we will get in touch. At ipapray natin na sana makuha nila yung magandang resulta nga from that competition. But my last question before we wrap up, siguro ang payo na lang sa mga parents, sa mga interesado na mag-take up ng gymnastics at mukhang naganaan at na sabihin natin na siyaan sila dahil of course meron na tayong 2 Olympians sa papasok sa Paris. And marami tayong mga achievers nga pala sa gymnastics ang nakuha natin sa iba't local at international competitions. Payo nyo?
Okay. First, wag po kayong matakot. Kayo pong mga parents, wag po kayong matakot. Number one po, kami pong mga coaches, I was the coach of the national team for 29 years in rhythmic gymnastics. And I've been coaching almost more than half of my life. I'm 66 years old now and I started coaching at a very young age. So kayo pong mga parents, wag po kayong matakot na i-enroll ang inyong mga anak sa gymnastics kasi hindi lang naman po ito para sa competition. Sila po ay maraming advantage na makukuha po dito aside from the discipline and other good virtues. Sila po, I'm sure, ay mag-enjoy at magiging healthy. At kami naman pong mga coaches are well-trained to teach, to coach them. So I hope to see more and more and more young. We're open 3 years old and above, so come and join us.
All right, and maraming salamat Coach Brooks for taking your time out to join us kahit alam ko busy ka sa training at kita natin ang dami mga gymnast sa likod. Lalo na nag-ayos pa kayo kanina sa kanila ha.
Masaya po kami dito, like family. So That's why you parents be part of the PGA family. Come on. And if you are far from us, you are in Pasig, marami pong clubs dyan. Club Gymnastica is there. If you are in Bulacan, there's TMC. So let's propagate gymnastics so that magkaroon tayo ng healthy competitions and we can develop hopefully another Yulo and another hopefully, di ba?
Ayun, papa-pray natin kay God na sana
Opo, pray
tayo
natin
na mas
yan.
marami pa
Opo.
mga gymnasts locally na makapag-qualify nga sa Olympics. But before we say your final remarks, thumbs up and smile para sa team photo op in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, Coach Butch, anyayaan mo na mga taga-subaybay natin sa Sports Corner para i-promote at punta kayo dyan sa Muntinlupa dyan for the STY International Gymnastics Cup. You have the floor, Stores.
Okay, thank you so much, first of all, for inviting us and this great opportunity. I would like to invite the public, the viewing public. We are having our 8th STY International Gymnastics Cup on October 20 to 22. The opening is on the 20th. The 21st is the level 1 to level 3. And Sunday, on the 22nd, that's going to be the higher level for level 4 to level 6. And this is for free. This is for free. Wala pong bayad, and the Coliseum can accommodate as many as 3,000 people. So if you don't have anything to do or you want to jog first in the track and field oval, you can go while waiting for the opening or for the start of the competition. Hope to see you, all of you there. And God bless everyone. Let's all take care and God bless us all. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
And
This
for
is Coach
sure, ang
Rose.
Sports Corner PH, laging sumusuporta sa mga events kahit personally.
Yes po.
Hindi po tayo makakapunta kasi malayo at kulang lang sa budget. But
Okay lang po.
please send updates nga pala on the upcoming competition. Especially, makikita natin at masuso natin ang aksyon ng ating mga Pinoy and international gymnasts sa isang kakaibang ngunit a productive tournament na masasaksiyan natin this coming October 20 to 22, Muntinlupa Sports Complex. Come and join us. Libre po ito. Again, Coach Butch, maraming salamat and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye po and God bless you.
Bye po. God bless. Bye po.
Thank you.